Surprise!
Yeah.
We're here with another sneaky little pattern.
Double release.
Double release! It is the last day of the month, so I think we can confidently say this is the last pattern of July.
I hope so.
Squeeze in another one. This is just a little sneaky little extra to add to all your handmaids this summer, for summer evenings, for maybe when the weather gets a bit cooler going into autumn, but when you want an extra layer, but you don't want to cover up with like a jacket or a cardigan.
Yeah, you want to like keep it dressy.
Keep it dressy and keep it smart, and we are welcoming the Bronte Cape to our collection.
Can't stop like flapping.
I know, there's so much swishy involved.
Yeah.
So Bronte, the origin story, actually came from your wedding.
Yeah, it was my friend Kat wore to my wedding a lovely like strappy dress, and she had a sort of cape on top of it, and both of us separately, I think we were like, what is that you're wearing? Amazing, love it. And then since then, capes have just been everywhere. They're super in at the minute, and we're like, oh, I wonder if we can develop our own little version. Enter Bronte. Yeah.
I know, I remember talking because I was sat close to her, if not next to her at the wedding, and I remember her saying like she just felt like she needed a little bit more coverage, but didn't want to cover up the whole dress.
Yes.
Didn't want to, kind of still wanted the strappy dress vibes as well. And that's where these little capes come into their own. So this is designed specifically for essentially stretch mesh fabrics. So knit fabrics definitely want something with a lot of stretch, but we really love it in something sheer.
Yeah, I think that's best because then you can. It's not covering up the outfit underneath. It's complementing it as well.
Exactly. Yeah. It's more just a little extra to show off what you've got underneath, but also a little bit of warmth.
Yeah,
it's really practical.
Yeah. My wedding was in March and it was cold.
It was very cold.
Yes.
But it does the trick. So what we've done is we've got some different variations. So hopefully you can play with having a cape that suits you best. You can go full drama. So we couldn't use the side panels down the side. They run down the back of the cape. This is the full length. You get loads of drama, you get loads of swish. Love it with like a dress down outfit.
Yeah, this is quite a casual outfit that I'm wearing, but it's kind of just a little bit of elevation.
Yes, absolutely. I think I was thinking like brunch as well. If you like want to wear something nice but you don't want to get really dressed up, it can just be like, oh, so fancy.
Yeah.
And then we've got a version with much shorter panels, so this just comes around to here and matches the front. And it's very like everyday wearable. Yeah. I've been keeping this in the office.
You just wear it all the time.
All the time. But when I get a little bit chilly, and just popping it on as an extra layer. I love it actually with my like rosemary trousers outfits. With this over the top.
You're
smart.
You'll see in the photos we've paired it with every possible so over it combination because it works for everything.
It really does. It really does. You'll be surprised.
We had a lot of fun at the shoot being like, oh my god, what's that?
So as well as having the two different panel lengths, you've also got 3 front hem lengths.
Yes.
So there is one that's a bit shorter that might show off a little bit of skin on the top of a sort of strappy dress like this. One in the middle and one that's a bit lower. And obviously that changes with different sizes, different bust sizes as well. You get a different sort of fit. So there's lots of ways you could customise it. And it's also really easy to like follow our lead.
Yeah, exactly. If there is like if you want to pick a hem length between the two that we've put on as a guide, then by all means go for that. If you've got a specific outfit in mind that you want to wear it with, just mimic the shape of the curve that we've put on the pattern, and then you're good to go.
Yeah, it's that easy, and it is possibly our easiest.
I think it's our quickest. Yeah, I would say so.
Wow.
Super quick.
So yeah, absolute beginner. Little extra to your outfit. We'll go with so many things. If you're unsure about fabrics, because obviously we think it's wonderful because a lot of the fabric shops I go to, when you go to weird and wonderful warehouses, they have these like racks of weird stretch mesh. And you're like, that's so cool.
What do I do with that? Yeah.
What would I make it into? Bronte Cape. You make it into Bronte Cape. But if you are unsure, we do have some kits.
Yeah, we've got 3 lovely kits. 2 of them are darker base, one of them that's kind of more greeny blues. Called it Celestial Swirls. Yeah,
very cool. So you can definitely like use it to jazz up a plain outfit, or you can. I love this plain and textured on top of something sort of coloured and bright as well. Yeah. So many options. So many options. So we will be obviously sharing our versions of Bronte, and we've got lots and lots of styling and inspiration coming up as well, just to give you an idea. We know it's not maybe the most conventional of things you might have sewn, so we want to give you loads of inspiration for how this is actually going to fit into your life practically. But if you do want to look for that inspiration, you can use the hashtag SOI Bronte Cape on Instagram and obviously share your versions with that hashtag as well. But we hope you love the Bronte Cape and take it into your sewing wardrobe like we have. Honestly, I feel like it's one of those things that might be underestimated.
It's like,
when you make it,
just trust us.
Just trust us. It's so good. You're not going to want to take it off, and you're going to be swishing around your house.
I felt like when I was making the pattern and I sewed up a toile, and I was like, oh, do you want to take it off?
No,
and that's such a good sign.
Yeah.
When you like, I just like. It just feels nice. These
fabrics feel nice.
They do. Yeah.
There's something really pleasant about it.
Yeah.
So ticking all the boxes.
Exactly.
So when we've convinced you and you've sewn yours up, please share it and please let us know, because we cannot wait to see all your Bronte Capes out in the world.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.